Isam, this is going in the zone of AI agents, right? So like how many agents you plan to use in your ERP in the next 12, 18 months?
We want to use as much as possible if we can. We're facing also, I think, the two problems. There's a problem of cost and there's a problem of adoption. Cost, we're trying to see the best way of minimizing the cost to zero if we can, because in Oracle, anything that is out of the box, you can use it for free. But many times, whatever is out of the box does not serve the purpose 100%. So we
Sure,
need to bring in some customizations to those agents to make them fit the requirement that we have. Now, once
sure,
you put in a customization, then you need to start paying for that. And we're looking into ways to minimize the cost to the minimum. The other element is the adoption at our level. People has that tendency of thinking that this is going to take away my job.
sure, sure.
And by no means that's absolutely not what we intend to do. Because at the level where we are, the human needs to be in the loop. So what we're doing, instead of having somebody who's basically driving, and the analogy here is it's the user who is entering transactions. What we're saying, take that self-driving cab instead of, going in a cab that has a driver.
Sure,
That cab cannot move without you
sure,
because it doesn't make any sense. You need to be inside the cab for the cab to start moving. So we're bringing the human in the middle, and the human's role is basically to supervise what the agent is going to be doing. And I think for many years to come, the concept of human in the loop is very important.
100%.
And I think that will keep being there. What we're doing, we're probably taking lots of time that the user used to spend entering transactions. We're taking the frustration away of having to deal with a cumbersome, let's say, interface or process from screen to screen. We're taking the probably the error prone process that is usually linked to users that have to deal with a system that there is either not user friendly or a bit more or less complex. We're taking all of that away and we're replacing it with AI to bring in more efficiency and to give some time back to users to do something that probably either the AI cannot do or that could add more value to the company.